Everyone. Today I continue to read my book. The topic today: people without information cannot act responsibility. People with information are compelled to act responsibility. Many organizations don't seem to trust that people. For example, have you even writing a check for groceries groceries at the supermarket? The cashier the cashier verifies your ID, writes the number onto check, and then you both waiting around while the cashier calls the manager or assistant manager to come over and give his or her approval. When that happens, doesn't this process leave you with the impression that the store doesn't trust its cashier and only employees who have runs are the management? I wonder what would happen if the cashier were given all the detailed information about the impact of bad checks on the business or and then instruct with check approve power. Research confirmed that the result would be would, would be fewer bunchy check. In addition, self-esteem rise and customer service is improved. When you give people information and the chance to ask responsibility, they actually come through. Yeah, that's all today. And I want to summarize uh, my daily today. Today I uh, wake up very late because last night I also uh, go to bed very late. So I prepare my breakfast, coffee, and I go out, go to office at 9:30 a.m. And then I go check around with my team. I got record what's the reason, what the problem they have now. Then I try to explain to them. I try to instruct them, and I also try to learn how to settle. Then I go back office because my stomach have problem. I need to settle my stomach first. After that, I go to lunch. I withdraw the money and I exchange the money from Malaysia ringgit to Vietnam dong. I think this money I prepare for the accident storm come in Vietnam last last night. The storm direct center come Vietnam, cross to Vietnam, but the way it center my hometown. So I exchange money for repair something damage the roof and the ceiling in my cow house. on throw throw away. So I need money for remedies. Then I go back to office for just something for relax, and I got a meeting with my boss. I learned a lot from this meeting. He explained, he introduced how about the preparing project, preparing anything for start new project. Then I got the emergency task in in group. So I need to come to settle. I need to come to attend there and doing this. Before this, I try to buy the food for my partner, for my worker first. Then I come in. I zone in until I feel stable. Then I go back. I go back with a little bit tired lah, and then I want to sleep a bit. After that, I get up, take shower, and order something I need to do, and then I until now 12 a.m. I remember I need to finish my strategic week, and hope see you guys for tomorrow. Thank you.